Yes, sir.
Why am I not getting it right now? Like, what is the?
Getting what?
I mean, what are we saying about like truth, for example? Like, why am I not getting it right now, for example? Like, why not?
Well, we have a whole workshop for you to work on that.
Yeah.
Okay? So,
But what's in the way?
day at a time. There's nothing in the way. You're just ignorant. It's a common malady. Okay? It's like, join the club. Right? Pretty much everybody's ignorant. And a few people realize they are. Most don't. They just think that whatever is going on is, they don't think about it. They don't care. And I'm not, I mean, you might have gotten the gist that I'm not inviting you, nor will I ever invite you, again, to believe anything. I'm not inviting you to disbelieve anything. That's just the domain of belief. And I'm saying that whole domain, whether you believe, disbelieve, etc., is a conceptual activity that does not have anything to do with what we're doing. Okay? It doesn't make any difference. I mean, you might believe in Jesus, and you get excited about that or whatever, because he loves you. Okay, but that's a different activity. Okay, even if it pumps you up. All right? So I don't. We're not looking for a special world to live in, or anything like that. It's not a religion like that. It's not a. It's like whatever you can grasp. And to me, in my world, if you can't grasp it, doesn't do any good. It doesn't matter. No matter what you believe. You can pick up some book on spirituality, believe the hell out of it. Okay, good. And you think you know something now, because you like all these beliefs. Now you're educated in this great spiritual practice. Okie dokie. Now, really, what has happened in my world? Nothing much. You see, all you've done is superficially adopted this belief system, see? And memorized it or something. Learned about it. Okay, good. What's true? See?
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.